Hello, I'm coming to you today. Got a customer here that they don't have tail lights, or lights are doing some funny stuff and just not working right. Turn signals aren't working right. Up here in Michigan, a lot of other states and stuff like that, these Scotch locks are not a good thing. You get road salt and everything on them. All you do is create your own problems. Wires fall apart. You got these right here, they're not even sealed up. Then you come up here, I don't know if you can see it. You come up here, you can see where somebody's pin pricked that wire and pin pricked this wire, and got this wire here also. Another Scotch lock. Here's a Scotch lock there. Here's a Scotch lock there, a Scotch lock. Everywhere it's a Scotch lock. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Scotch locks. A lot of problems there. Just about as much time you can take and fix them right. Oh, y'all have a great day. We'll take and see you around, and be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.